Welcome everyone in today's video of quick guide.
In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install zero investment online trading app in your mobile device. For this, you need to open your Play Store and go to your search bar of the Play Store and search for the keyword zero investment trading app. Here you can see there is zero investment online trading app. Just click on it and simply click on the install button. Now you can see the download process has started in my device. It needs some time to get installed. We have to wait for it. Now the download process has ended in my device and the app has been installed. Let's check out the app in the app section of the device. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.